Okay, this is for Granddad and Ludic Science, and Ludic Science made this neat little motor configuration that I've had a lot of fun playing around with. Go back one video and you'll see more about it with the link to his video on how to build the basic motor structure. But today I went with a Hall sensor circuit, a very simple Hall sensor circuit for the motor. The two coils are in series in such a way that when the Hall sensor is placed near a south pole, it turns the coils on and flips the rotor around, and this is the back spike on it. You can run it on 2 to 3 volts. I just have a super capacitor here filled up with a couple of volts. And today is the 21st of December 2017, and we've got our Christmas thing ready to go here, so I have the table for a little while. So anyway, I did this little project today, but this is really for Granddad, because look what happened when I built this thing up. I got like a Bristle Bot out of it. And it's got nothing on the bottom. It's not a Bristle Bot, it's just wood. But the inertia drive does that. So I thought I'd see if it would run the floor. And sure enough, Granddad, look at this. It reminds me of some of your creepy crawler things that you've put together. I thought you'd get a kick out of that. And what this is it's out of balance. So the rotor's out of balance, kind of like those pager motor Bristle Bot devices. But it sets up a situation where it drives itself forward because of the imbalance. Out of balance of the thing. So anyway, I just thought you'd get a kick out of that. It's just got a little Hall sensor down in there, LED and a super capacitor, and I'm not even using a transistor. It's a switching Hall sensor that has a circuit inside the little Hall sensor that allows me to get away with this at low voltages, but I'll let you get a kick out of that one. And like I say, I got the biggest bang out of it being able to run the floor. You know, if you had a young son, grandson, this would be a great Christmas Day toy to play around with. You just charge the super capacitor up with a couple of volts, and it'll run for a few minutes. Nothing long term, but it's just cute, and it was fun to put together. It'd be a great kit. And like I say, here's the circuit, and you just have to get a latching Hall sensor. It activates on the south pole of the rotor, turns the coils on, and that flips the rotor around. You can run it on a couple of AA batteries if you want to, but by putting a super capacitor on it, it's light enough so that you can get away with this Bristle Bot thing. And there's nothing on the bottom. It's just the block of wood. And it's out of balance, and the out of balance is what makes the thing go forward. Anyway, I just thought that would be fun for you guys to see, and I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas.